TubeRoadmap, the world of online opportunities, where creativity meets income. Here, we will explore almost all legit ways to make money online. And all methods will be accessible by the video courses one by one in this channel if you subscribe. So make sure subscribe to TubeRoadmap to earn a huge money. Now let us start exploring. 1. Money making through YouTube. Dive into the world of video content creation on YouTube. Share your passions, entertain, and educate. With dedication, your videos can turn into a sustainable income source through ads and sponsorships. 2. Money making through blogging. Express yourself through blogging. Create engaging content, build an audience, and monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or even selling digital products. 3. Money making through ebook publishing. Unleash your creativity by publishing ebooks. Share your knowledge or storytelling skills, reaching a global audience and earning royalties. 4. Money making as a creator. Whether it's art, music, or any digital creation, platforms like Patreon or Etsy allow you to monetize your craft directly, building a community around your work. 5. Money making through app development and selling. Develop useful apps and sell them on app stores. The demand for innovative solutions is ever growing, and your app could be the next big thing. 6. Money making through social media. Leverage your social media presence. Brands pay for sponsored posts, and platforms like Instagram and TikTok offer various monetization options. 7. Money making through affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and earn commissions by promoting their products. Affiliate marketing can turn your recommendations into a passive income stream. 8. Money making through Amazon. Join the world's largest online marketplace. Sell products on Amazon, either through retail arbitrage or by creating your unique products. 9. Money making through drop servicing. Provide services without the need for specialized skills. Act as a middleman, outsourcing tasks and earning a profit. On 10. Money making through dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business without handling inventory. With dropshipping, you sell products, and suppliers handle the shipping logistics. 11. Money making through website flipping. Invest in websites, improve them, and sell for a profit. Website flipping can be a lucrative venture for those with an eye for online real estate. 12. Money making through trading and investment. Explore the world of online trading and investment. From stocks to cryptocurrencies, strategic investments can grow your wealth over time. 13. Money making through your digital products and services. Monetize your skills and expertise by offering digital products or services. Whether it's online courses or virtual consultations, your knowledge has value. 14. Money making through a freelance job. Join freelance platforms to offer your skills to a global clientele. From writing to graphic design, freelancing allows you to work on projects you're passionate about. 15. Money making through paid consultancy. Share your expertise through paid consultancy. Offer personalized advice and solutions to clients seeking your knowledge. 16. Money making through making online agency. Build an online agency catering to businesses' digital needs. From marketing to web development, your agency can provide essential services. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or consultant, the online world offers countless ways to turn your skills and passions into a fulfilling income. Explore, innovate, and embark on your journey to financial independence with TubeRoadmap.